जानना चाहेंगे दर्शन, कैसा रहा आपका अनुभव रैंप पे चलने का?
I was really nervous and I was a little confident also. Once it was nice.
आप तो दर्शन आज ये भी जान लेते हैं कि सबको इंतजार है कि आप तारे ज़मीं के बाद अगली बार नजर आएंगे, तो आप कब देख पाएंगे आपकी अगली फिल्म?
It's not decided yet. जब कोई अच्छी ऑफर जैसे कि आता है सो घर के जैसे
A star in the making.
दर्शन,
हाँ
आप रैंप पर चलने के लिए कैसे तैयार हो गए?
हाँ
रैंप पर चलने के लिए जब आपको कहा
Oh, easy
गया,
on
कैसे-
this one.
क्या सोच के आप तैयार हो गए?
कुछ नहीं ऐसे
Well, you were wonderful.
थैंक्स
You were really wonderful.
किसी ने सिखाया था आपको कि ऐसे चल रहा है?
नहीं ऐसे ही चल गया
प्रैक्टिस की होगी।
Okay, guys, I think we can be a little more kind to the little boy. Please don't ask him such questions.
अच्छा, दर्शन जो आपने पहना है वो आपको कैसा लग रहा है? जो डिजाइन किया हुआ है नीता जी का?
गुड वेरी गुड
Thank you.
How do you rate as a designer?
Oh, come on, yeah, poor thing.
Yeah, please.
How much will you give her out of 10?
Please, guys.
Samira, what did you think of the collection?
I loved it. I have to say कि I was very taken aback because for me, she's very Indian in anything she does. She's got a very Indianness that comes out in all her clothes, and I saw this Parisian couture, you know, the silhouettes and the colors. I beg to differ when you say that love is really all about flashy colors. I think it's really about the understated subtleness that should come through, and I was very impressed, and I'm very proud. And I have to also add, he stole the show. He was the best showstopper I've seen in my life. Congratulations.
थैंक्स
And I must say one thing, I must thank Samira for being here and for being my support. And this little fellow who really stole the show and worked so well. Thank you, Baba.
थैंक्स
Okay, can I request you all to stand for one last photo op, considering that Samira is also here? No, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Okay.
Congratulations.